Gala Games is going down even more, and in this video I will be telling you guys the exact time where I think a reversal for Gala Games is coming. Just a spoiler, the reversal is closer than you guys might even think. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one we are going to be taking a look at Gala Games once again. I'm going to be telling you my personal strategy on how I am planning and on how I am personally dealing with Gala Games. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and as you can see that we are practically near the bottom of our Fibonacci retracement level at a price of about 0.029. Now guys, for those of you who are new, I just want to clarify that I personally believe that the bear market low for Gala Games was in at this price point right over here at about 0.015. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave movement, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. We completed a wave number 1, we came down in a wave number 2, but when we were progressing in a wave 3 towards the upside, you can see we were facing some difficulties in order to break this important resistance level, and because of this we have been seeing a constant drop within the price. However guys, if we just zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see that even though we are getting closer and closer towards our mark, or say towards our bottom target of about 0.029, we are basically getting a good enough buying pressure from this price point right over here, and we are trying to go towards the upside. Now I would personally recommend you all to not take any sort of trades, and to be completely honest, the major reason for this massive dump is just because of the single reason, and I think a lot of people who have invested into the Gala ecosystem know this already. But guys, this dump is practically because of the version 2 upgrade and because of a recent announcement made by Bitbender, who is one of the important members in the Gala ecosystem. So guys, basically Bitbender made an announcement that Coinbase was not really supporting the decision of Gala V2, and that was the basic reason, or say, it just added things up to, Gala, basically people having second thoughts of if Gala would even be, able to manage this version 2 drop of their token in general. Because guys, in the past we have seen that Gala was failing to basically manage their token upgrades or stuff like that, and that is the primary reason why we are seeing a fall in this price, because a lot of people are taking their profits. Now my strategy is pretty simple. Now I had covered this in my last video as well. Some of you all agreed with my strategy, some of you all did not. Some of you said that the way I am thinking is the basic reason for the problem, but guys, my reason is pretty much justified. If a project was not able to go through an update previously, how can I personally believe that the project is going to be doing it well and right the next time, even though we are hearing some bearish news from Coinbase team and from the founders themselves? So basically my mindset towards Gala Games has shifted, and right now it has shifted from a perspective of basically stacking up, loading up, to just wait and watch and see how low the market drops. Because guys, to be completely honest, I personally think Gala can be going as low as about 0.029, because if Gala goes even beyond this level, I would personally believe that the next support is located around 0.025, and that would basically mean a bearish move for Gala Games. However, guys, for the longer term perspective, my plan still remains the same. I personally believe Gala is going to be breaking the all-time highs in the next market rally. But right now, we are undergoing a massive upgrade, and this is one of the crucial, important steps in Gala ecosystem. If the update goes well, it won't really be hard to believe if Gala can easily reach a price of about 0.083 or even higher than that at about 0.10. However, if the update goes bad, it wouldn't really shock me if the price, forms a new low below this 0.015 as well. Now, I know for all of those invested into the Gala space, you guys might be thinking that I'm really bearish on the project in general. But guys, if you have been following my videos, you guys already know that I am one of those people who have invested into Gala, and I'm really bullish towards the project because of the things they are doing. In the longer term, I do believe the project is going to be doing good, but if you are a short-term play and if you want to make some short-term gains, right now is not the most ideal opportunity to buy into Gala, according to a lot of news regarding Gala which is coming at the current moment. So if I were you, I would personally suggest you to, just hold off on your Gala investments. If you want to hodl, then that's completely fine, because in the long term, you're going to be seeing an increase in the price. But if you're a short-term trader, the best option could be to, just sell off, like, let's say about 10 to 20% of your portfolio, because even if then Gala pumps towards the upside, you guys are still gonna be making money. But if it dips down, you're gonna be saving yourself some important bucks or some important $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, which pretty much racks up in the shorter time frames, because right now there are a lot of different opportunities in the market which are presenting themselves, and I personally believe those can be really beneficial for you rather than investing into Gala games and taking this risky bet. By the way, guys, if you want to make some serious money in the crypto markets, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which are helping me to make some insane amounts of money in a short amount of time. Now guys, let me show you the insides of my trade signal group and also show you the amount of profits which we have been making in my trade signal group. So guys, right over here you can see we racked profits of about 385%. Right over here you can see we locked profits of 268% on just one single trade. Now guys, if you scroll up, you will be able to see that this was a monthly recap for the month of April, which is just ended like a week ago. So right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and if you can just pause the video and check out all the profit percentages, you will be able to see that we were profitable every single time, which is a really hard feat to achieve even in the strongest market conditions. But guys, right now the markets are pretty much in an interesting position, because the everlasting bull market is going to be coming. Actually not everlasting, but yeah, the bull market is going to be lasting for about 1 or 2 years, which is enough for you guys to make serious amounts of money. Right now we are shifting from a bear market to a bull market, and whenever this happens, the price tend to go towards the upside more often rather than going down low. And this is the major reason behind the success of my trade signal group, and I would personally recommend you to join in if you have money to join in, because this can be one of those investments in yourself that is going to be making you some insane amounts of money in the shortest amounts of time. That is why I am telling you guys to join right now, because right now we are going from the bearish phase towards the bullish phase. Because when we are in a bullish phase, no one really knows when we are going to be seeing a bear market catching up to us. But right now, since we have just started to go up, I personally believe that there are, like, let's say about 5 to 6 more months where I can confirm that I will be having some trades which are going to be really, really profitable. I'm showing you guys the results already from the month number 1, and I am personally planning to elevate these results even more in the shorter time frames. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys follow along and join up as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.